And here I will show you how to fix Facebook 6-digit verification code not working. The first solution is we have to uninstall our Facebook app and then we have to reinstall it. So all you have to need, uninstall your current Facebook and then go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. All you have to need, reinstall the Facebook or update the Facebook app and then relog into your account and try to resend 6-digit verification code and check the error. And the next solution is we have to use Facebook Lite app instead of Facebook. So go to your App Store or Play Store and this time search for Facebook Lite. All you have to need, install Facebook Lite app and using the Facebook Lite app, try to resend 6-digit verification code and check the issue. And if you're still having the same error in both Facebook and Facebook Lite, in this case, you have to use a mobile browser. So on your mobile phone, you have to open a browser and on your browser, open facebook.com and log into your Facebook account. Now go ahead and try to resend your verification code from Facebook web and check the issue. If any of the solution work for you, please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.